You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronunciations, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. I'll suggest a few for you at the end of this video. There are different pronunciations. In Italian, alla. Swedish and Norwegian, alla. Also, the Russian pronunciation is also alla. Therefore, generally speaking, this name is pronounced as Alla. It'd be only in Spanish it'd be pronounced Aya. But generally, Alla. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.